Hi my socialites, this is Kik and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited because for today's video I want to do something different, which is kind of play a little bit with makeup. As you can see, I have my face clean and I decide to kind of dramatic contour with dramatic foundation, dramatic concealer and all those things to see how just the makeup changed my entire face. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Also, want to join my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. And now let's jump into today's video. Okay, my socialites, just as a quick background, I don't know if you know, but one of the things that I love the most is like having a good, healthy and perfect skin. So usually when I do photo shoot or also when I go out for fashion events, usually at night, I like to use some kind of makeup, but nothing like eyeshadow or lipstick, all those things. My makeup routine is pretty much focuses on my skin. So I like to use kind of concealer, foundation, pretty much those things to, you know, correct all my imperfections. So that is what I'm doing today. I will play with makeup, but pretty much the basic makeup for skin. So now let's see what we got. Okay guys, the first thing that I want to do is use a little bit of primer. In this case I'm using the Master Prime by Maybelline New York. So almost I don't have nothing. Okay guys, the second thing I will apply is this cream Fenty Beauty bronzer. I will use kind of a lot because as you can see the color is not so dark, so I'll try to make it dramatic and exaggerated. So let's see. Okay, now with this tinier brush, I will apply the kind of strong line in my nose. Okay guys, now that I have my kind of bronzer, a lot of bronzer in the areas where I want it, and now I will use this Stila palette, which is kind of color correcting, to kind of correct my dark circles on this red blemish. So yeah. Okay guys, now that I have color correct, I will use this Tarte concealer and I will apply in the part where I want to highlight because it's wider than my skin. So, but I will use kind of small brush, you know, to get in the parts like easily. Okay guys, now with the beauty blender I will try kind of blend everything together, but being very careful. Okay guys, now under my eyes area, just in the middle part, you see I didn't put the lighter concealer. In this case I will use the Fenty Beauty concealer in my skin shade. And now I will come back with the same to retouch all the part that I take off with my concealer. Okay guys, now that I have kind of everything like blend in place, I will apply the foundation. In this case I will use the Backstage Dior foundation, which is kind of very light, probably won't cover the whole contour that I already did. So yeah, let's apply it. Okay guys, I just have applied the foundation on my entire face. Oh my god, my face looks so freaking heavy. Oh my god. Well, now I will apply this cream blush by Fenty Beauty as well, because I'm using everything like creamy. So I will use a little bit of this, which is Petal Popping, and I will use a beauty blender in a side. And I will try to put a little blush just here, top of my cheek. So guys, now I will apply another concealer, in this case the Jeffry Star concealer in the shade C9, and I will apply this in an specific areas. So of course, now I will bake the areas pretty much where I used my concealer. Okay guys, while I'm baking my face, I will apply bronzer, but with powder. In this case I'm using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. Now with a tiny brush I will do the same thing, but in my nose. And now with a fluffy brush I will take off my bake. Okay guys, and finally we'll use this Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder Radiant Light, and I will use as a highlighter, but this is not highlighter, it's kind of softer, and I will do with a tiny brush a little line on top of my nose. And finally we'll set my entire face with a setting spray. Yeah, let's see the final result. Okay, my socialites, this is the final result. As you can see, oh my god, I look like, I don't know, I look like not real. But yeah, this is a proof that makeup is so powerful. You really can change your entire face expression just with makeup. I have to be honest, I don't have kind of a lot of palettes of color to create kind of more dramatic contrast. I mean more like dark contour. I have kind of more natural color. However, if you have kind of more color, I think you can definitely create kind of something more dramatic. But wow, for me it's kind of insane how you can make your nose smaller and lift a little bit your eyes. Also, I'm not playing even with lips or eyeshadow, but I have seen crazy videos like they can change the entire face. I don't know, I think makeups are, I love it. I'm not into a lot of that, but I think it's really beautiful. It's an art, and I like to see a lot of videos of people that play with it, and they are so talented. I don't know guys, I think this video was really fun. I did it with everything I have at home. So I hope you like this video. Please do like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you want to join my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. I'm creating different content on my different platforms: Kike Society, Instagram, Facebook page as well, and TikTok. If you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. Hello for my new subscribers. I'm so excited and so happy. Yeah, let me know if you want me to do any video as well. And yeah, see you in my next video. Now I will take shower because this is so heavy.